How to delete your eBay account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from the Solution Guide. In this guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually delete your eBay account. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Deleting our eBay account is very simple. All you need to do is first of all go ahead and launch the eBay application. Now once you launch the eBay app, on the very top left hand corner, simply tap on the stream menu icon. So just tap on the three lines icon over here, and here you want to scroll down to the very bottom and then select the option which says help. So simply go to the help center. Once you go to the help and contact center, you'll see all sorts of various topics. Now in the search box, we will simply type in closing account. So we'll just go ahead and type in close account keyword over here. Once we type in close account, you can see this little search which says closing your account. So just tap on closing your account over here. As you tap on closing your account, you'll see all sorts of privacy restrictions and terms and conditions and so on. Scroll down to the very bottom and select this button which says close account over here. As you tap on the close account, it will ask you with a few more questions in order to go ahead and then close your account. So first of all, tell us why you're leaving. So just go ahead and select any of these questions over here, and just like that you can simply select any of the reasons over here. Once you select the reason as to why you want to delete it, go ahead and also confirm this button which says I want to close my account, and just tap on the submit button. As soon as you tap on the submit button, you can see it says we've received your request to close your account. Within 24 hours we'll send an update on the status of your request to your registered email address as well as your eBay messages. Please review this email, as in limited cases we may need you to provide additional information or take certain actions in order to close your account. So this basically means that eBay is going to get back to you after closing up your account and follow with the on-screen instructions. But this is basically it. Right now our account is inactive, and within 24 hours our account will get permanently deleted. And this is how you can delete your eBay account. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.